not so healthy a kid can cook it, we are going to make tofu scrambled. Before we get started, I need to cover a few things about this recipe. Make sure to use day-old rice and not freshly cooked rice. And use extra firm tofu to get that scrambled egg effect. And then this is nooch, or nutritional yeast. For this recipe, you will have 3 different parts: vegetables, scrambled tofu ingredients, and fried rice ingredients. Begin with stir-frying the vegetables by heating oil in a large wok or pan over medium heat. Remove from heat and scrape vegetables into a large bowl. To make the tofu, heat oil over medium heat in the same pan. Stir the nooch in until everything is coated, then scrape the tofu mixture into a large bowl. The nooch is in. Make the fried rice by heating oil over medium heat. Pour sesame seed oil over pan, stir, and remove from heat. Top with green onions or whatever makes you happy. And enjoy!
You can start.
Oh, I'm saying the line,
Yes.
right? Oh, okay. I thought you were
Rolling.
just ending me. I thought I'm so weird. Okay.
Daddy. Mother. Thank you.
Okay. Mix it in the kitchen like stir fry. No. Whipping in the kitchen like stir fry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.